What's up, Reef Finance holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about your Reef. What's the price? Changes occur in the Reef Finance, like we show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now, guys, if you look the currently live price of the Reef Finance in the market, so you can see here 0.020158 USD dollar is the currently live price of the refinance in the market. In other side, if you look the changes of the refinance, so the changes of the refinance is going wrong. Only the last 1 hour changes is positive, and last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the refinance is negative. Completely the price decrease from the last 7 days. So that's mean, guys, that the previous time is a bad time of refinance. But you know what, guys, at this time the holders of the refinance ask me questions that is the price will increase more or not. So let me show you on the price chart. Sorry guys, sorry for that. Now let's open a chart. Here is a chart. Now you can see here, oh my god, absolutely a bad crash open the reef, but in the latest situation the price also taken a quick jump. You can see here price falls down, but in the latest situation the price start jumping, guys. So don't worry about the cryptocurrencies market, guys. You know what, guys, we can't say about the market. Sometimes the price pumps, sometimes the price dump. Crypto changes life in a minute. So guys, don't take it serious. Just hold and be patient. Everything will be okay. Now it is time the falls occur, and now also after falls they start jumping. Here falls, and after falls they start jumping. So guys, that's clear that upcoming time the price of refinance will increase. Congratulations. Anyways, what you think about Reef, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.